14, maybe 15 this afternoon. Those wind chills are going to stay below zero. Looks like right out into the afternoon. And then those overnight lows tonight are going to be cold, dangerous, and so tonight as well. But those overnight lows dipping down into the single digits. So we're going to be setting records
hey guys,
today for the coldest high
this is crazy.
as it stands 31, the record of 15.
This is February 15th. Power's been out since 4 a.m. and came back on. We're all sitting in the car.
It's an adventure.
The lights have been off all day and it's snow outside. So we sat in the car to come warm up for a little while and do something different because we don't have power. What's the temperature right now?
It's probably 70 degrees in the car. No, 80.
No. It's 35 degrees outside. That doesn't seem right. It feels like it's colder.
No, that's just in the garage.
Yeah.
It's like 12 degrees outside.
Wake up, Amor! Dad, wake up! Yeah, I couldn't sleep at the DWS. Everything. Dad, wake up! Hello?
Ready to give up? You'll never find me, and you'll never get your package.
For USB? For the iWalk.
So we're packing up to go to my sister's. Yeah, because we don't know. We need to make sure everything's charged.
You know your little charge. You got it? I think I was trying to just like scan it.
This is what it's looking like. It's not snowing right now. Actually, this feels like, it still feels like snow, but people are driving and everything. It's just none of our neighborhood has lights right now. So that's the snow pile we made yesterday. So that's about how much method goes in. We got a couple inches. The sun's out, but it's not really melting it. So yeah. This is 2021. So funny. It was like a day, but we were like traveling and we had to stop and get a hotel. Dang. Like, because all the roads shut down and stuff. So we're on the way to Mimi's house because it is cold. We hadn't had power. We had power for an hour today. And then,
shut off?
Yeah, it went off and it never came back on. It's about 3 o'clock now. So we're just going to go over there for a little while, charge up everything, so we'll be ready for the night.
Guess what happened to me?
What?
So it was like, it's Monday, so my alarms went off. So it was like till 8. It was like from 8 to 9 that I kept pressing snooze on my alarm clock, and I finally woke up and just pressed stop. It was like so annoying.
That is, mine went off at 7. I think that's why I kind of took another nap today. I'm still sleepy. I don't know if I'm just cold, but I feel really sleepy. Crazy.
Since
Way to kick off 2021, huh?
it's already past January.
I know. We had a really good day, though, yesterday. Mm-hmm. Yesterday was a really good day, and today isn't a bad day. Just, we don't have power. That's all. So we're just making the best of it. We're not complaining. I'm just gonna go hang out for a little while, and then come back home, and we'll be ready to probably go to bed. So no power. We have to manually do the garage, and he's probably gonna let us go to have the car out. I'm just trying to get a picture of him manually letting the
picture.
We have a video of him manually letting the garage down. He has to sweep the garage, I knew it.
My big.
Does he have lights?
Yeah, he finally got his back.
We're gonna have to go out on the inside because I need to put my jacket on. That's a big bird.
Let's go up a little bit higher.
Over there.
Oh, that's so nice. You can probably sled down that.
Probably. Yeah. That'd be fun.
If we had a way to warm it up.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Remember when we used to sled at the old house?
Mm-hmm.
It's a 4-way stop sign.
Gotcha.
Lights
out.
Found it.
Take my.
Found it. Why you can slide? Basically, I'm saying you really get to slide. I can't play anywhere. I'm sorry.
So now it's the night. Came back home. We left Austin and Allie with my mom and my sister. And we got a notification that our power was on. And as soon as we driving home, set us out again. So Hayden came with us. I wish he wouldn't have. Wish he would have stayed, but I'm cuddled up. Luckily, I had these little lantern things. So that's pretty much lighting up the room. Aaron got the fireplace going. Aiden's sitting by the fire. We might go back over there tonight. We haven't decided yet. I'm just documenting. Still snowing. Well, it's not snowing, but it's still snow on the ground. This is pretty much like day 2 of like the power. It's on right now. We don't know how long. And came on for an hour, maybe like 3 o'clock this morning. We had a space heater, thank God, for my sister. And we all slept in the same bed. Me, Aiden, and Aaron, and other 2 kids stayed at my sister's house. But it was freezing, and it got really, really hot and warm. And yeah, it's like 0 degrees right now. Snow starts again at 7. And I'm guessing we're on the rolling blackout, so we won't have power for that much longer. So we're just taking advantage. I'm trying to cook some rice. And yeah, we're gonna try to take a bath if we can get the hot water going, but everybody's doing the same thing, so nothing's working.
It's so confusing on that map. We just need a closed map.
It is 9:41. This is night 2, and we're coming home to sleep. Left all the kids at my sister's with my mom and my sister. And literally, it's like an apocalypse. Like, everything is just dark. There's no lights. There's lights over there. I'm not sure what that is, though. But we don't have any lights. Our house is completely dark. Aaron is manually doing the garage right now. You can see him. So yeah, that's what it is. It looks bright because of the snow, but it's not. So this is day 3. Final day, I guess, of snow. It snowed last night. We got a lot more. This is what it looks like. Aaron kind of went in and out. Walmart finally opened over there, but it's crazy. Can't even see where the grass is. I'm not really sure. This is how deep my